is about greatest common factor. And sometimes you will see it written like this. GCF. That stands for greatest common factor. Okay? That's what that means. Now I'll explain what that means after you write that down. Has everybody got this written down? That stands for greatest common factor. Who remembers what a factor is? Yes?
Like two numbers, well, a number that makes up another one, like 8, take 8, 4 times 4, and 1 times 8.
Yes, very good. 4 times 2 and 1 times. I knew what you
that.
meant. I knew what you meant. Okay, no, you're fine. Okay, so everybody look up here. I'm going to underline these factors for 16. What two factors would make up 16?
8.
8 times
2.
2. Okay, good. And 1 times 16? And 4 times 4. Very good. So what I want you to see is these are the factors of 16. Okay, so what I want you to do is when you're writing down what are the factors of 16, you're going to write them down all right here. So what I would do is go, okay, 1
I do commas.
times 16, and then I would go 2.
What my mom had me do is like put them like in order.
Space them.
Like 1, and then 2, and then 4.
Yes, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a minute.
And then 8, and then 16.
Yep, that's good that she did that. So if I'm thinking about, let me erase this part so you can see what I'm saying. If I'm thinking of what are the factors of 16, I'm going to go 1 times 16, and then 2 and 8 are factors of 16. You still with me? And then I'm going to say 4 times 4, and you don't need to write it twice. Okay, so those are the factors of 16, and it's always good to write them in order from least to greatest. So that's what I'm going to do next. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So those are my factors for 16. Okay, now I want to find my factors for 12. Okay, so I'm going to do 1 times 12, and I'm going to put 12 over here. Hopefully we can kind of already organize it in one step. Okay, does 2 times something equal 12? What?
6.
6. Okay. 3 times something equal 12?
4.
3 times 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, 5, no. And then we've reached 6, so we know we've gone through them all. Okay, so the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Understand? Now, this is where this comes into play. What is the greatest common factor? So common meaning what do they share that's the same?
4.
So we're going to circle all the ones that they are they're sharing, the common ones. 1 they share, 2 is the same, 4 is the same. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, so which one is the greatest?
1.
No? 4. So I would say the greatest common factor, my answer for this problem would be greatest common factor equals 4. See that?
1. That's what I thought. I was skipping ahead to the real answer.
You were? Okay. All right, let's do this one together on our paper. Okay? Y'all can do this one with me. Write down the number 8 and the number 20. And let's find the factors for both of those. Okay? The factors of 8, somebody help me out as you do it on your paper. Okay, 2 and 4, I'm going to put those down, 2 and 4.
1, 8.
1 and 8.
20.
Okay, anything else that goes into 8? Factors, something, okay. What about 20? Yeah? 4 times 5. Okay, what else? Yes?
10. 1, 2, 4,
2
5,
times 10. Good.
5 times 4.
5 times 4, there's one more set of factors. 1 and 20. Okay. Did I get them all?
Yep.
I believe I did. Okay, now let's circle common factors.
4 is again the answer.
4 is going to be the answer again? I think so. Yeah?
No, why?
Because that's the greatest common.
Oh, no.
They both have to have the same number
Oh, like the
And-
one that has the highest value?
The one that has the highest value and has both of them in both of the numbers. So 4 is in both of
Okay.
these, but 8 is not in this one. So it can't be. Does everybody understand? Okay, good. Now, it said use the greatest common factor of 8 and 20 to reduce 8/20ths. Now, they're basically saying let's use this number, the highest one, to reduce this. Okay, y'all remember reducing? We just did it last lesson. They're telling me to use the highest greatest common factor, to use the greatest common factor to reduce this. That's what they were telling me to do.
You already do those on this part.
So
of
if
the
I
lesson,
did
right?
that,
2 5s.
I would get 2/5. Very good.
2 5s.
2/5. Understand?
It seems like a very complicated problem.
Well, it just decided for us to do 2 steps. So they found the greatest common factor, and then they said, since that's the greatest number, let's use it to reduce this. That's what they were saying. Understand? Okay.